Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning and decluttering and getting organized for the new year. I did deep clean my apartment and take down all my Christmas decorations in this video, my reset and prep for 2024 video. Somehow everything has gotten really messy again. The last couple weeks I have been traveling. I went and visited my sister in Arkansas, helped her move into her new apartment. I don't know what it is. I have just been so like lazy the last week or so. First week of the new year, I thought I was going to be just so on top of things, like new year, new me. I've been the opposite. I've been so unmotivated. Please tell me I'm not the only one. I think it's like the cold weather. Right now there's like a huge snowstorm outside. It really is the perfect day to just stay inside and clean. My apartment is reflective of that laziness because it is just like a complete mess. I don't like to let it get like this. I usually try to kind of keep on top of things. I just don't want to start off the new year in a messy, cluttered environment. I just want to take some time to really clean it, kind of wipe the surfaces down, vacuum, wash my sheets, and then also declutter, not really bring in things to the new year that I'm not really using. I also really want to deep clean my closet and declutter. That is like a whole other thing. So I think I'm going to do that next week, and I'm going to do a whole separate closet clean out video. So that video will be up next week. Definitely check back for the closet clean out. Today we are just going to focus on my apartment. Hope you guys enjoy and get some motivation if you are also needing to clean and declutter. This is the perfect time to do it, so you can just kind of go into the new year with a fresh space. If you guys enjoy it, please give this a big thumbs up. Comment below some of your cleaning tips or an area of your space that you need to declutter. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Wish me luck that this goes quickly. Let's just get into it. Now that the sheets are washing, I'm just gonna put all the clothes away. I went and took Instagram pictures yesterday and all the clothes are just everywhere. I'm just gonna get all of those put away. It is quite a bit later. My apartment is looking so much cleaner. My room is all picked up, my kitchen. The last thing is my bathroom. It's pretty messy. Obviously, making my bed, I think my sheets should be done by now. I think I'm gonna do all the decluttering and organizing tomorrow now that everything is at least kind of like picked up and cleaned up. I do wanna clean my car as well. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow also. Everything feels so good. Like I literally, there is nothing like a clean apartment. It is the next day. I'm gonna finish everything up. We're gonna be focusing on the organizing and decluttering. I kind of just wanna go through my desk drawers, makeup, skincare. I also wanna clean out my car. That is kind of what I'm gonna be focusing on. Starting off with my car, I'm not gonna clean the outside of it, only the inside of it. There's currently a snowstorm outside. I do kind of wanna clean out the inside and just like vacuum it out, wipe the surfaces down, declutter. Focus on makeup, skincare, my bathroom, specifically under my sink in my bathroom. It's just really messy. I kind of have stuff everywhere in there. Fake tan, hair products, extra kind of like refill products, cleaning supplies, random like skincare stuff, nail polish, literally just like the most random things. And it's all just kind of like a mess. I'm gonna kind of organize that. I actually got a couple little organizing things from Target to kind of help with this. I smashed my finger with this earlier. I got this like little drawer thing from Target. I also got this like stackable slide out drawer. I feel like those will be helpful for kind of organizing under my sink. I just recently helped my sister move into her new apartment. She had a bunch of those under her sink and it was just like very, very organized. I was like, what is happening under my sink? My sink is very messy. Kind of inspired and motivated me to organize mine. I think I'm just not utilizing all the space under my sink. I have a lot of organizers on the bottom, but all the space on the top is kind of getting wasted. So I feel like that'll kind of help utilize all of the space, organize it a little bit better. That is kind of where I'm gonna start. And then I'll kind of work my way to my skincare and makeup drawers. that is everything for this video. I have cleaned and decluttered and organized pretty much everything that I can think of. I feel like my apartment is just so clean going into the new year. Being in a messy space just makes me feel so stressed. Being in a clean space makes me feel very relaxed and like I have my life together. So I feel a lot more organized, more motivated going into the new year. I definitely recommend doing this if your space is messy, especially taking the time to like go through random things. I forgot to film this, but I went through all of my medicine. Almost all of them were expired and I just kind of like decluttered that whole random like container of medicine. That is like a really good thing to do, especially right now kind of going into the cold and flu season. So if you need to like stock up on anything that is expired that you might need. I just feel so organized when I go to get something and that drawer is actually like clean and organized and I can close it. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some motivation. Definitely thumbs up if you did, and if you enjoyed this cleaning video, definitely stay tuned because I'm gonna do a whole closet clean out next week. I'm gonna declutter my entire closet. Definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Comment below your best cleaning tip and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.